Alright, what's up? So, yeah. So today, obviously the Yamaha mx100, 1983 Yamaha mx100 is back together. But, here's the catch. It doesn't ride, it's still seized, or something's wrong with it. I barely got the cylinder back on. But anyway, yeah, it doesn't kick over. Barely, it sounds so bad. Anyway, put it back together. I've spent about 2 hours on it. It's about all it took. That's including a lunch break. A couple of breaks to go inside and warm up because it's freezing cold out here. And I don't want to have this running. Oh my god, my camera. Okay. I don't want to have that running when I have oil and stuff near it. So it's just a safety reason for me. So here's the catch. 1, it does not run. 2, I am selling it this spring or whatever. I might even put it on like tomorrow, Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, one of the two. I'm selling it because I don't want to rebuild it, and I think I can get $300 to $400 out of it. Bought it for $5. But that was when it was running and still in really good condition. I mean, it's still in the same condition that I bought it. It's just dirty, and that's it. But I'm not going to get $5 out of something that does not run. And people just aren't going to spend that much on something that they don't know what's wrong with it. So, I'd really love to get 4, but I think all I'm going to get is 3. If they want lower than 3, I'm not taking it. Someone will buy this for 3 because it's an old vintage bike. It's in great shape. All the stock parts are here except for the handlebars, grips, and handlebars, grips, and air filter. That's the last thing I need to put on, and it is right here. Just a little pod filter. Yeah, it's totally stock. There's no performance parts or anything except for this pod filter, these grips, and those pit bike bars. And I wouldn't really count this little breather thing. Since I'm selling it, I took the breather off of this bike and put the nice red one on it because it looks better. But anyway, yeah, I'm selling it for in the Spokane area. If you're in the Spokane area and you want to buy it, go ahead and take a look on Craigslist. I'm not sure what Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna get out of it, but I'll see when the time comes. Besides that, I just been working on my truck with my dad today because it, as you know, it hasn't ran in about 2 weeks because the battery keeps going dead. I think we fixed it. I'm not sure. We got a new battery. We just went with the cheapest thing. So we got a new battery for it. And it seems to start. But I'll see this week if it wants to start. Then if it doesn't, then it's just an alternator problem. Hopefully it starts. Just saying. But yeah, this is going to be... I'm just going to sell this. Super simple to put back together. Except for the cylinder, since this, like, cast iron is so freaking heavy. I had to, like, douse that thing in oil to get the piston to slide back into it. That's the only reason it barely turns over now. I'm not going to do this much, but and it still makes a really bad noise, so. Obviously, there's a problem. I'm not sure what it is. To the buyer, I doubt any of you out there will buy it. But when I sell it, I'm just gonna say found it in my grandpa's garage, and that's about it. I'm just gonna play dumb. So everything still works fine. I rolled it out, and it's been sitting right there in that spot beyond that bike, right there for about 3 months. About 3 months, yeah. Yeah, sounds about right. And tires didn't need air. The back tire is a little flat because that's how I ran it. so it wouldn't wear that quick. Front tire didn't need air at all. Pretty amazing. But yeah, that's about it for this video, I'm pretty sure. I mean, there's not much to tell you about it besides it's back together and it's not running still. So yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a great day. I'll probably make a video. Probably make a video tomorrow. Excuse me. Probably make a video tomorrow on what, I'm not sure. But I took the mud bug out today. In the snow to do some drifting, and that was pretty fun. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a great day. If you like the video, place a thumbs up, you know. And if you are new to the channel, or if you want to, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.